going up above and then below the water. Sometimes we've even seen them up there on the side, just kind of sunning themselves here on the side. So just keep your eyes peeled. You might see a gator or two. There we got leaping fish. You may have saw that or not. Fish leaping up out of the water. I don't know what kind of fish they were, but they're very athletic. Jeez. That was wild. Did you see that? Coming up out of the freaking water. What in God's name is that?
Yeah.
Holy Toledo. Thought you might want to know that. So, and the key is, if you ever encounter one on land, hopefully it won't happen to you, but if it does, the key, and I was told by an expert gator handler from Gatorland, run zigzag. They have no equilibrium. They cannot do it, and sometimes they even flip over when that happens. They're going zigzag completely throws their entire balance off. So if you ever encounter one, run zigzag as quick as you can. Boys and girls, welcome to the Kennedy Space Center, Spaceport, USA. Gonna pull in here, let you folks get out. Use your blue tickets we gave you to get into the visitor center. Hang on to your green launch tickets until we reboard the bus. Again, please, please, please be on time. 9:30 a.m. Again, as you walk through the security here at the visitor center to get in, you will see on the right where buses pick up for the VIP viewing area. There's a big, big parking area there for buses. You will find this bus there. Please look for it. Please be there by 9:30 a.m. That way we'll be on time for the launch. Have a great day, folks.
Yeah. Thanks, Bob.
About it over here. Okay, I'm going to read to you some information from NASA. Listen up, please, about the launch. First off, we do want to thank you all for joining us today for the historic launch of the Space Shuttle Atlantis. This will be the last time Atlantis flies, at least on a scheduled mission. Now, important launch safety information I have to share with you. Please be advised that hazards are inherent in launching and launch viewing of a space shuttle mission. By accepting the invitation to view the launch, you do so with the understanding of the potential risk. Although NASA does apply stringent range safety principles and techniques to protect the general public, workforce, and property for all areas of the Kennedy Space Center during launch, in the event of an inadvertent circumstance, hazards, including debris, blast, and toxics could occur. Actually, dangerous weather conditions, particularly lightning, are known to occur in this area, but today there's no forecast for dangerous weather. It is imperative that you stay within controlled areas, stay with your group, listen for all announcements, and strictly follow instructions provided by NASA. We ask you to adhere to the following safety requirements. Remember your bus number. We're on bus number 9. That is bus number 9. Store that in your memory. At the site, there is a designated area, has been roped off. Stay within the roped area, and as I told you earlier, away from the edge of the water so you don't become gator food. Now, for those families with children, please, please, please keep your eye on the kids, okay? In case of foul weather, which is not likely today, 70% chance of no bad weather whatsoever, you will be advised if that were to happen that this area may expect heavy thunder showers and cloud to ground lightning, but today, again, that's not forecast. For your safety, we require everybody return to the bus if there is foul weather. At ignition, the Space Shuttle's twin solid rocket boosters produce an exhaust cloud containing droplets of hydrochloric acid. This cloud drifts with the wind after the launch, slowly dissipating as it travels. Now, these droplets are not strong enough to cause anything other than a minor irritation and are easily rinsed off with water. Folks have been doing these launches for 3 years. We have never had a single incident of that, so don't worry too much about that part. Launch viewing sites are far enough away from the launch site that there is ample time for visitors to return to the bus. It is imperative that you listen for all announcements and strictly follow all instructions given about by NASA. Also, in the unlikely event of a launch malfunction or mishap, please return to your bus immediately. Once you are on the bus, additional safety information will be presented. Folks, get ready for the most exciting day of your life today. When that baby goes off that launch pad at 2:20 today, it's a moment you will never, ever forget. no matter how long you live in this life. Trust me on this one. Have a great time, have a safe time. As I said, there's food tents out here. The food's a lot cheaper than the visitor center was. Also, as I told you, there's lots of toilet facilities out here. There's washing facilities, and there's also medical facilities. Enjoy your day. If you have any questions, any issues, just let us know about it.
Yeehaw!
Thank you. It's going to be a longer ride home, as I told you, so once again, if you would cooperate again with us like you just did before, and we could be one of the quicker ones to get out of there and get back home at a reasonable time tonight.
I like to see only 2 parts. This agency is this is a similar, we've seen this
Entertainment for us.
Yeah, a little air show. A little prelude. The opening act.
The opening act. Special guest. Yeah. So the kids could have something to remember the. That's cool. Yeah.